I welcome you all on behalf of KK Institute of Engineering Education and Research. This year, KK Institute has started two new courses in the emerging area. One is the Artificial Intelligence and Data Sciences, and second is the Robotics and Automation. Both the courses are approved by AICTE. They are also approved by Savitribai Phule Pune University, and the students who will be admitted in the year 2020-21 will get a bright future after completing this course.
Digital transformation is disrupted in big way across sectors in recent times. Technologies like artificial intelligence and data science that were until recently largely used in academic research labs have suddenly moved into the mainstream.
The field of computing is ever growing for the last 3 decades. Even today it is in limelight, especially due to various emerging areas such as artificial intelligence, data science, augmented and virtual reality, IoT, cyber security, blockchain.
Artificial intelligence and data science is an interdisciplinary branch of engineering and science that includes the computer science, information technology, and electronic engineering. AI can turn conventional products into smart commodities. Neural networks make it easier to train machines. These technologies are used to develop machines that can substitute humans and replicate human actions.
Artificial intelligence finds application in almost every field of life. The simple example I can give you of artificial intelligence is playing chess on computer, which means that the computer is interacting with the human being to play the games in a very intelligent way.
Data science is a combination of databases, programming, statistics, data mining, and machine learning. Data science is being used across all parallels of various industries, including business, healthcare, finance, and education, so that the student can apply their knowledge and skills in various applications such as analytics, face recognition, speech recognition, self-driving car, chatbots, virtual personal assistant, to name a few.
The department has well-furnished and state-of-the-art equipments in the laboratories such as the DBMS laboratory, Business Intelligence Laboratory, with equipments, high-end servers and the softwares like RStudio, MATLAB. We have a qualified and devoted faculty who focus on providing quality technical education through innovative teaching learning to inculcate 21st century core competencies and character values. We are committed to provide a very rich learning experience to our students.
One can expect jobs in various industries such as retail, finance, manufacturing, healthcare, etc. as software engineer, programmer, tester, analyst, etc. Other job roles include data scientists, data analysts, data engineer, computer-controlled machine programming, etc. Candidates may pursue higher degrees in MS, ME, MTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science.
I appeal all the students to join this particular institute because KK Institute of Engineering Education and Research has been accredited by NAAC with grade A. 8 departments of this institute are accredited by NBA, and this was the only institute in this area to find position among the top 100 institutes of the country by NIRF in 2016. We are at KK always trying to introduce new courses and give proper inputs to the students. The teaching learning process is excellent and the placement facilities at these institutes are really remarkable. So I appeal all the students to join this course and make a bright career in the field of artificial intelligence and data sciences. Thank you.